Should you still accept appointments if you're a seller when your home is sold conditional? And that's what this video of 2 yeses and 1 no is all about. I'm gonna do the reverse though. I'm gonna do 1 no and 2 yeses. So the no on this would be, the house hasn't sold firm yet. So no, do not cancel appointments. No, do not turn away people that are possibly looking at your property, because in case the deal falls through, you still want to have other people look in the home in case the deal falls through that they may want to bid on the home. So the yes in this situation is, yes, continue to accept appointments, and yes, continue to do open houses. Continue to market your property as if there was no conditional sale. Again, you just want to make sure, in case the deal falls through for any reason whatsoever, that you're not turning people away that potentially could have put an offer in after the deal falls through. So I always suggest my clients to continue to accept appointments, do open houses, and we continue to market it until it is sold firm.